Welcome to Super Growth Stocks and Charting 101. This is Morris. In this video, we will be looking at one of my personal holdings, and that is Huntsman Corporation. And what I'm looking at in this particular video is a bullish formation, a two-stick candlestick formation that has taken place as of Friday, and it's right here, the two candlestick formation. This formation is called a Harami. The textbook name for this, and you can see it here on a chart that I have pulled up, you've got a downtrend in place and a large body. And the large body, then the next day, it comes in with a smaller body inside this large body at the end or in the midst of a downtrend. So you've had a downtrend in play, and then you get this really long. This is where it opens. Because this candle is red, it opened up here and closed on the lower end. Yeah, there's a little bit of trading here, but all in all, this is a very negative candlestick. And then you get the Harami. Now, the reason this works and the reason this turns the trend of a market is simply because this kind of downtrend has been ridding previous bulls, and people are selling into this weakness. This candlestick right here ends up being more of a washout day, even though it's very damaging at the look of the chart. When we get the Harami, literally it turns this market around, and this is the first sign of indecision. So you have a strong downtrend on one hand, and then you come in with this particular formation. This is a bull Harami, and this bull Harami reverses the market. It literally washes it out. Then you get indecision. That's what this candlestick is, not real commitment. But then you turn around and get this very strong reversal. Now, as we look at one of my personal holdings, we see that this is, again, is Huntsman. And Huntsman has recently taken it on the chin, and yet at the same time understand that this stock continues to channel higher, and it's been a phenomenal holding through the years. And as it's moved down, this has been fairly rapid decline, and then notice what's beginning to take place. This is one of the things I'm looking for, particularly on reversal action. We're looking for a market that is now oversold. So you get an oversold market, you get the two-stick formation called the bull Harami. And by the way, these are Japanese candlesticks, and the bull Harami literally means pregnant woman. That's what it means. You see the bump here in the middle of this previous candlestick. It sets up indecision, and many times at least the market will pause, but most of the time what will happen, you begin a new up channel, and that's what I'm looking for here in this stock. I'm looking for this to go ahead and continue to build this series of higher lows and higher highs in Huntsman. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.